Yo, what is up? This is your boy Ron 2 Fly, and today I came hiking again, but this place is called Eaton Canyon. I forgot what it is called. So I came with Fernie, my cousin Armando, and my friend Maria, and they're already over there on this side. Jeez, they got a little log. Holy moly, I almost slipped. This is pretty nice. Hey, what is that? Okay. Yeah.
Right there, the one on the
Oh, hell no, that one's too big.
Oh my god, that's big.
I don't know if that's safe to touch though.
That's nasty.
Oh, there's one. God damn it. I can't grab it.
Get a picture of me.
Don't touch trees.
This park is home of the rattlesnakes and poison oak.
Does it like burn you?
It gives you like a mean ass rash.
Yeah.
Like they're called tadpoles.
What if the snake just pops out of here? Coyote Canyon. That's it, poison oak.
Yep, yeah, let's go.
This guy assumes that he caught the case of poison oak.
Oh, I don't know. It hit me in the face. I don't know what the fuck I was looking at, and then I just. Wait, are they on trees or are they on trees?
They're on trees.
Of course they're on trees.
They're leaves.
I don't know. I don't want to give.
Yeah, we could do this. Look.
I think it's time for us to go back.
What did it say?
Father decided. Meaning. So I can't sue, huh?
Oh shit! I got no grip on my shoes.
Me either.
Look at her.
This is scary.
Who does that? Oh, what the hell? Look at that waterfall.
Two, three. Come on. You didn't fall weak.
Man, can you like actually? I want to move one. Can you move? Right now, put it back
Check
together.
that out, guys.
I'll put it back together.
How?
I'll put this back together.
How?
Whoa.
Trippy.
Trying to pick it up. She dropped it though. Damn.
She just touched it. That was
I
a guy,
know.
no?
No, it was a girl. How?
That's messed up.
Oh, I had it. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Just hold this. I don't know how this one's supposed to be.
Let me see.
No, that looks cheap though.
Well, I don't know how we had it. Right? Leave it alone.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, that shit's a piece of shit anyways. Let's go.
What
Like, start going before the sun starts reaping. Yeah. I was about to get that.
Nah, that's it.
That's too much.
I had to leave that one. Look at mine though. Mine looks clean. Even though mine's not that heavy.
So we're practicing. There was some rock balancing. This guy did these. I don't know about Franny. Then I did this one over here. Check it out.
You must feel accomplished.
I do. Alright, we just hit 1.25 miles. This trail is different from the other time I went hiking. This one is just a trail that has like little ups and downs. The other one, it was like you had to climb rocks and all that stuff, and it was pretty cool. But this one's alright. You know, it's just mostly off flat ground. Let's see what there is.
We're gonna go down this.
There's a snake right there. What the? What are you doing? What the? What are you doing?
Are you gonna grab it?
I don't think it's live.
You should grab it. Like crazy ass. Damn.
You got shorts, dog. Don't do it. You got shorts. Don't do it.
Yes, it's alive.
Look, he's dipping. He's dipping. What are you doing?
Bro, what is it? Nah, that's an animal, bro.
Something. Has a.
Rattlesnake?
It's. I think it's like pooping out a lizard or something.
Stay away from it because baby rattlers give the most venom.
You heard that one, right?
Huh? Yeah. Who the fuck is this guy? Fucking scientist? Fuck was that guy, dude? Like,
Smarty, huh?
huh, Mr. Smart. You're Mr. Animal Planet, National Geographic.
Vámonos.
All right,
Let's get it.
vamos. Let's go. Hey, let's check this little hole right here.
Vámonos. Let's get it.
Yo,
Who dropped my rock?
huh? Check this out. Yo. Who was that guy? Bet I'll jump in. Bet.
How about you after?
All right.
You're lying.
Bet.
Nah. Seriously? Here, I'll hold your back. Go. Bet. Afters. Afters.
What are you doing? I was hoping you fell.
You dumbass.
Yo, what's up with this guy's face, dude?
Look at yourself.
Dude, you're an awkward guy, dude. The little waterfall, little cheap waterfall. I mean, it's all right.
You weren't recording.
The question is, how am I gonna get down? Cause I'm gonna slide.
Clickbait.
Slide down. Grab onto that root. I think it's a root.
Oh yeah, this one right here.
No, the one in front of you.
It's a snake. Be careful.
What the?
Imagine the snake is a bit like a... Yeah. Climb
Dang, you
up.
shouldn't have turned, man. Take a picture.
Where's this guy going?
They're looking at you. People want to see you.
People want to see you fall.
People want to see you slide.
Oh!
Get it. Try him on. Yo, what are you doing?
Something about rock.
Huh?
That's cool.
Bet.
No for me, dog. It's gonna be a no for me. This guy's crazy. Jump off! Jump off! Go for it!
That was only one take.
Wait, what did you do? What did he want you to do?
Yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. Yo, okay. Okay. I see. Look at all these people. Check this out. Got everybody out here. I don't know. Yeah, I'll do it right now. Should I go right now or what? What? Oh yeah, I do.
Do you really?
Oh, Bernie, get in the water. No. Get in the water. Get in the water, man. Get in the water.
I don't have the beach body yet.
So the sun is now out. It's already getting hot. Look. These guys are crazy out here. Look at these guys up there. Whose mans are they right here? It's hot as hell. I didn't even bring sunblock. Now I'm gonna get red. We still gotta walk back to the car. That's like a good hour maybe. Maybe even longer. We take forever. But check out these guys right here. You see that? You see this right here? So they told me it filters this water. So they grab the water from that side, they throw it in there, and then it just filters it up and it cleans it all up. Goes down there, you just drink it up.
Thank you. You want some water?
Yeah, I was gonna try it out right now.
Alright, over it.
Okay, so they say that this is filtered water from the waterfall. Alright, test this out. Alright, show me what you got.
Round 2 fly right here.
Alright.
What's up, guys? Happy
Alright.
Earth Day, right?
Happy Earth Day. So you're gonna follow this guy on Instagram, Twitter.
Thank you. Yeah. We explore Earth.
We explore Earth.
Oh yeah, happy Earth Day.
Alright.
You take care,
Alright,
Ron.
man. Woo! Alright.
Enjoy the water.
Alright, thank you. It's good. Alright, let's get the show on the road. Alright, so we're now leaving the waterfall, going back to the car, which is like 5 hours away. But it's pretty cool out here. Like all these people, yeah. And those, shout out to those guys. Those guys were cool. They filter water for these people that are finishing their hike. It's nice. All right, guys. So remember the rocks that we made earlier?
Bro, you took them off.
No.
What about yours? Are your rocks still there?
No, no.
They take off your rocks.
Lady. No. No. Oh my God.
Those two.
Oh. Damn.
It's cold.
That's cold.
Try it again. Try it again.
Damn. Yo, that is messed up. Look at her sitting down patiently. Look at her just sitting there. Oh my God, that's so mean. Like shaking my head. Look, built this again.
Coming tomorrow.
That's right. Built that again. So we see that fall, dude. It's over. Yeah, guys, we built that. You guys seen that yourselves? Bam, this side.
There we go.
Let's go. It's tight. You just gotta get some water in.
Oh, bro. Oh, never mind. That's the dog.
Yeah.
I saw the dog out of nowhere. That's why.
Extra little. And I think when they split, he was saying that I guess they didn't know, what was going on. He goes, maybe it'll affect them in the
No. What?
Why'd you wet it? Why'd you drop it?
I didn't. No. I'm done.
Hey. He's chasing something.
Oh my God, dude. Okay, look at that. On top. Let's go down. Get the one on the side.